Daily English sentences. Can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie? Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Respect our elders. Respect our elders. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Do not cheat during exams. Do not cheat during exams. You should sleep. You should sleep. Check my answer, please. Check my answer, please. Write it now. Write it now. She sings well. She sings well. Don't whisper. Don't whisper. Are you ready for test? Are you ready for test? Don't be upset. Don't be upset. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. I am feeling afraid. I am feeling afraid. Keep your clothes in cupboard. Keep your clothes in cupboard. Let's walk with me. Let's walk with me. I got my good marks. I got my good marks. Wash your face. Wash your face. Where is the ink pot? Where is the ink pot? I can draw picture. I can draw picture. No excuse anymore. No excuse anymore. Clean your room. Clean your room. Where is my pant? Where is my pant? Definitely you are right. Definitely you are right. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. I draw with crayons. I draw with crayons. Thanks for the present. Thanks for the present. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I feel better now. I feel better now. Use your napkin. Use your napkin. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Did you get it? Did you get it? Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. Share with your friend. Share with your friend. Be kind to others. Be kind to others. It's snacks time. It's snacks time. Come here. Come here. Don't shout. Don't shout. Cover your sneeze. Cover your sneeze. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Clean up your toys. Clean up your toys. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. Hold my hands. Hold my hands. Don't pull sister's hair. Don't pull sister's hair. Take a bite. Take a bite. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Speak loudly. Speak loudly. Take your medicine. Take your medicine. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? When is the exams? When is the exams? Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Calm down slowly. Calm down slowly. Be careful, it's hot. Be careful, it's hot. Let's walk together. Let's walk together. Wake up early. Wake up early. Clean up the garden. Clean up the garden. Use your spoon and fork. Use your spoon and fork. I can jump high. I can jump high. No problem, it's okay. No problem, it's okay. Where's the duster? Where is the duster? Yell. Don't yell. It's our story time. It's our story time. What happened? What happened? Take a nap. Take a nap. Take care yourself. Take care yourself. When is the homework for? When is the homework for? Bind your shoelaces. Bind your shoelaces. Take a bath. Take a bath. I am sorry, I did not hear. I am sorry, I did not hear. Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? Put on your books down. Put on your books down. Finish your meal. Finish your meal. Sit down to your places. Sit down to your place. Stop crying. Stop crying. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite fruit is apple. Can I go to the boat, please? Can I go to the boat, please? Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Time for school. Time for school. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't run inside. Don't run inside. This period is boring. This period is boring. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. You should go to sleep. You should go to sleep. I can move the furniture. I can move the furniture. Pluck the flower. Pluck the flower. What is troubling you? What is troubling you? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? Trim your nails. Trim your nails. You should cut your hairs. You should cut your hairs. Don't touch switchboard. Don't touch switchboard. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Forget my keys. Forget my keys. Don't scribbles on the wall. Don't scribbles on the wall. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Get out from here. Get out from here. Hurry up. Go quickly. Hurry up. Go quickly. Don't touch the on iron. Don't touch the on iron. I am sorry for spilling. I am sorry for spilling. Hold your pencil correctly. Hold your pencil correctly. Sit there, please. Sit there, please. Shut the door, please. Shut the door, please. Don't step in the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Stay in line. Stay in line. Put off the stove. Put off the stove. Iron your shirt. Iron your shirt. We are ready to come. We are ready to come. I am not going there. I am not going there. Change the pillow cover. Change the pillow cover. Don't chew with your mouth open. Don't chew with your mouth open. I love to cook at morning. I love to cook at morning. Good night and sweet dreams. Good night and sweet dreams. Stop irritating me. Stop irritating me. Be punctual, don't be late. Be punctual, don't be late. Open your book and read. Open your book and read. We are best friends. We are best friends. I am yawning. I am yawning. I finish my homework on time. I finish my homework on time. Catch him, he's running. Catch him, he's running. Do not tear up this paper. Do not tear up this paper. I love to wet in rain. I love to wet in rain. I am feeling afraid. I am feeling afraid. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.